So, on my bird feeder, I recently installed, this morning, a squirrel baffle. Said squirrel is now baffled, one of many, I'm sure, and has been trying to figure out how to get to the bird food. That, by the way, is for the birds, not for the squirrel. He just scared away a cardinal. Yeah, I'm sure as I was refilling everything this morning that I did drop some. And he's welcome to the little scraps on the ground. But until I refilled it this morning, everything had been ravaged. Now granted, this is not just the squirrel. I have also had raccoons, which have been especially annoying. But as of yet, the baffle has kept the squirrel away. I've seen him on some of the bushes in the back, trying to figure out a way up that he might be able to jump over, but so far, he continues to be stymied, which is exactly what I want. Though, I don't necessarily want him to continue to climb on my porch. But, hey, if he's not eating the bird food, there's no bird food, no food whatsoever up on that porch. So, we will see how this works, and if it keeps the squirrel and the raccoons from eating all the bird food.